Let's say if you want to make this line to be tangent to this arc, and if you just do it by clicking those two entities by pressing Ctrl key and selecting those two entities and select tangent, and as you can see, you're destroying the shape. This is because when a line is tangent to a circle, you have two choices. You can be tangent to the left side, or it can be tangent to the right side. So depending on its initial location of this line, the system will automatically snap to one of these configurations. So I'm going to undo this. So in order to make this tangent to the left, instead of just adding that constraint, you may have to move your shape so that it can be closer to your final shape you want, and then add the tangent constraint. Okay, it applies to not just the tangent in any geometry constraint. You want to move your shape closer to you want, okay, and then add your constraint after adjusting the shape.